Halloween festival is on the way and Wondershare released a lot of new crazy Halloween type features in Filmora 14. In this video we are going to make Halloween style intro in Filmora 14 by using the special Halloween effects. So before starting the video, if you have not downloaded the latest version of Wondershare Filmora 14, then do please check out the description below to download the latest version of Wondershare Filmora. Also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then do please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get updates of all upcoming videos regularly. So here is the Filmora 14. So first of all, I just simply go to the title tab to start creating my intro. So under the Halloween tab, here are the most craziest Halloween type text effects. You can explore it from the title tab. If we go to the transition tab, also we have the option of Halloween tab, and in this tab we have a lot of new varieties of Halloween transitions. And under the effects tab, here is the Halloween tab, and in the Halloween tab we have the lot of new exciting effects according to Halloween. So first of all, I just simply downloaded the template for my Halloween intro. I just simply drag and drop this intro on my timeline. You can always edit this text effect according to your preference. So I just simply double click on this text effect, and here I have to change the text effect according to your preference. You can also change the text effect, text mode and text size, text color according to your preference. So I just simply click on OK button. Now it's time to add some effects. I just simply go to the transition tab, and under the transition tab here is the Halloween tab. So this one looks more awesome. I just simply drag and drop this transition onto the start of my layer like this. I just simply set the duration of this transition like this. I just simply play the transition like this. This looks really awesome. Now just simply go to the effects tab to add some Halloween type effects on my video. So for this one, I just simply download the Spooky Vibes overlay effect for my intro. So I just simply drag and drop this effect onto the layer 2 like this. So by double clicking the effect, I just simply set the opacity of my effect like this. I just simply go with the 50% and click OK. Now it's time to add some audio in the background of my title. I just simply go to the audio tab, and under the audio tab here is the music tab, and under the music tab you have the option of Halloween music. So my music is downloaded. I just simply play the music, and I just simply select the music beat according to my preference. So I just choose this one, and just drag and drop the music on my timeline, audio timeline like this. Now set the music according to your intro size like this. Now decrease the volume bar in the last of your music to add the fade out effect. Now it's time to render playback, and then we can see the preview of our edit. So our render playback has been completed. Now it's time to have a playback of our video. I'm going to play the video. So as you are seeing, we have just edited our Halloween style intro by using the special Halloween effects in Wondershare Filmora 14. If you have not downloaded the latest version of Wondershare Filmora 14, then do please check out the description below to download the latest version of Wondershare Filmora 14. If you have not subscribed to our channel, then do please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get updates of all upcoming videos regularly. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.